North American manufacturing takes center stage at the heart of making things, from threads to metals. We will explore its rich history, tackle the bumps along the way, see how it has transformed over time, and look at where they stand today. The story of North American manufacturing is dynamic, full of various phases marked by significant rises, falls, and transformative shifts. It is an evolving entity that has progressed since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. To truly understand its impact, we need to delve into the specific components that shape it. Now, let's begin by discussing the Industrial Revolution at its peak. Envision the towering smokestacks, the resonant sounds of steam engines, and the energizing atmosphere of a society on the brink of significant transformation. In this vital period, North American manufacturing was the central figure, using innovation and sheer determination as tools to mold a new economic era. But no story is complete without its essential supporting elements. In this case, they are the automotive, steel, and textile industries. These sectors are akin to the vital players in the North American manufacturing narrative, each adding its distinctive touch to the broader tapestry of progress. Consider the automotive industry, for instance. It was the eager new player, keen to make a lasting impression. This industry didn't just bring a new mode of transport, it fundamentally altered how we live. It reshaped our society, introducing us to everything from extensive road networks to the concept of a road trip. Beyond that, the automotive industry ignited an age of mobility, empowering individuals to live and work in different places and fostering a culture of exploration and adventure. Now, let's shift our focus to the steel industry, which acted much like a steadfast and reliable figure in this narrative. This industry laid the foundation of the continent. It's the force behind the impressive skyscrapers that define our cities and the expansive rail networks that connect our landscapes. Steel has been that constant, sturdy friend, always present, silently ensuring everything remains intact. Moreover, steel has played an instrumental role in nation building, with its production fueling the creation of jobs, innovation in construction techniques, and an unwavering commitment to quality and strength. And let's remember the textile industry. This hardworking and innovative sector has been pivotal in mass clothing, offering affordable, durable, and fashionable options. It spans from the cotton fields in the South to the vibrant textile mills in the North, forming a significant part of the American economy. The textile industry is not just about fabrics. It's about weaving the social fabric of communities, providing livelihoods, and playing a significant role in the nation's trade and exports. Each industry, with its distinct contribution, has played a role in shaping the society and economy of North America. The symbiotic relationship between these industries is remarkable. As automobiles grew in popularity, they increased the steel demand. And as populations expanded and became more mobile, the need for quality, affordable textiles surged. And this isn't just a story locked in the past. It is a narrative that continues to evolve, filled with innovation, resilience, and consistent advancement. There have been notable successes, significant challenges, and, most importantly, an ongoing, engaging development to observe. As time progressed, North American manufacturing encountered some obstacles. The 1980s, for example, were a challenging period. It was when North American manufacturing seemed struggling to find its direction. A major factor in this industrial downturn was globalization. It essentially encouraged many to explore outsourcing as a viable business strategy. Countries like China, Mexico, and India became attractive options for manufacturing due to their lower labor costs. For the US, once a bastion of manufacturing, states like Michigan and Ohio started to feel the impact. Industries that once thrived began relocating offshore in search of cost effectiveness, which led to significant job losses in certain regions, akin to former industrial powerhouses becoming shadows of their past selves. We must also consider the role of technology in this scenario. It is something of a double-edged sword. On the one hand, technology has accelerated progress at an astounding rate. On the other, it has been a factor in job reduction, particularly in manufacturing. For every robot introduced to a factory floor, there's a human worker who is left without a job. It has created a complex situation where technological progress is intertwined with employment challenges. Also, globalization has not only opened up new markets, but has as well intensified competition. Companies, in an attempt to stay competitive, have sought ways to reduce expenses, and one of the most significant expenditures for any company is labor. This reality has driven the shift of manufacturing bases to countries where labor is comparatively cheaper. As a result, while companies may maintain profitability and compete globally, the domestic workforce suffers, with towns and cities that were once thriving industrial centers now grappling with unemployment and underemployment. This industrial downturn has also had ripple effects on the local economies of the affected regions. As jobs move overseas, there is a decrease in disposable income, leading to reduced consumer spending. Local businesses, from retailers to restaurants, feel the pinch as their customer base diminishes. It, in turn, leads to further job losses in sectors. The challenges for North American manufacturing have been significant, but they didn't mark the end of the industry. Historically, manufacturing was plagued by rising costs, stricter regulations, and a widening skills gap. Picture this: the cost of materials skyrocketing, new regulations piling up, and a shortage of skilled workers leaving advanced positions unfilled. It was the reality for North American manufacturers, where rising costs impacted profitability, regulations increased bureaucratic red tape, and the need for more skilled workers left many advanced jobs vacant. But this isn't just a story of struggle. It's a testament to resilience, resurgence, and remarkable transformation. As we move forward, we'll see how the manufacturing industry in North America has started to adapt and grow, similar to a phoenix rising. At the center of this revitalization is the adoption of advanced manufacturing techniques. Think of North American manufacturing as an athlete in training, using cutting-edge practices as a rigorous new training regimen to prepare for competition. We are now in the era of Industry 4.0, where manufacturing and digital technology are seamlessly integrated, delivering substantial productivity improvements. For more information on Industry 4.0, you can visit. Automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence are major players in this transformation. According to Peter Zion, these technologies are changing the face of manufacturing in states across the U.S., including Texas, the Carolinas, and Michigan, which is emerging as a leader in this digital revolution. Zion also stated how in Michigan, factories that once relied on traditional heavy machinery are now equipped with robotic arms and 3D printers, showcasing the potential of Industry 4.0. But advanced manufacturing techniques are not acting alone. They are part of a broader movement that includes significant new investments from the private sector. Businesses recognize these advancements' potential and are eager to invest in the promise of innovation and profitability. This private sector support is vital as it's helping to redefine the future of North American manufacturing. Also, there has been a pivotal shift in government policies. The regulations that once added layers of complexity to manufacturing are evolving. New policies that favor domestic manufacturing have been introduced, providing additional momentum for the industry's resurgence. Amid significant positive changes, we are witnessing a notable trend: the rise of reshoring. For years, we saw manufacturing jobs moving overseas, driven by lower labor costs abroad. But now, there's a reversal happening. According to Zion, companies are making a strategic shift and bringing these jobs back to the United States, specifically to states like Ohio and Pennsylvania. It's a significant move, reflective of the attractiveness of technological advancements, skilled labor, and favorable policies in the U.S. North American manufacturing, once seen as declining, is re-emerging. It's rejuvenated, powered by advanced technology, fueled by fresh investment, and propelled forward by encouraging governmental policies. And although this is a significant turning point, it's clear that this is just the beginning of a new chapter in the story of manufacturing in North America. Today, we find ourselves at a crucial juncture. The past, with its rich history and lessons, is merging with the potential and promise of the future. Currently, North American manufacturing is evolving. It's like a maturing entity, growing stronger and confidently moving towards a more modern identity. It's leaving behind outdated practices and adopting new, innovative ways of operating. Now, let's talk about sustainability. Manufacturing in North America has significantly evolved from the old image of a smoke-belching factory. Today, it stands as a leading example of green and clean production. This is more than just a trend. It's the new standard. Companies are understanding that sustainability is not only beneficial for the environment, but also advantageous for business operations. It's a responsible and strategic move. The reshoring trend, bringing jobs and production back to the U.S., strongly shapes the manufacturing landscape. Companies are appreciating the benefits of local sourcing and are actively working to strengthen domestic supply chains. Zihan believes states like Illinois, Pennsylvania, and Indiana are becoming centers of this revitalized industrial activity. With their rich industrial histories, these states provide skilled workforces that are ready and eager to contribute to this resurgence. Furthermore, they offer strategic locations that enable efficient transportation and logistics, vital for competitive manufacturing operations in today's fast-paced global economy. Looking ahead, the future is promising but also demands careful navigation. Emerging technologies such as 3D printing, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are poised to revolutionize manufacturing. Picture factories where real-time data informs decisions, where AI enhances precision and efficiency, and where 3D printing facilitates on-demand production. These aren't abstract ideas. They are the concrete future taking shape before us. The political and economic environments will, of course, play significant roles. Governments and businesses will have the critical task of collaborating to foster policy, regulation, and market dynamics that are conducive to growth, innovation, and equitable prosperity. The importance of skill development can't be understated either. The future workforce must have the skills that tomorrow's technology and industries will demand. As technology evolves, so must our preparation and education. In summary, the current state of North American manufacturing stands as a compelling blend of innovation, resilience, and potential. It is a critical juncture where we witness a future promising further growth and transformation. It's a narrative that we are all part of. This story is just as much about us, the people, as it is about the machines we create and the markets we serve. As we have moved through this journey, we've traveled from the rich history of North American manufacturing through its challenging present and have glimpsed into its promising future. We've observed firsthand how innovation, resilience, and vision have crafted an industry as dynamic as it is foundational to our society. As this video ends, let's pause and reflect for a moment. We've ventured deep into the heart of manufacturing, navigated its intricate pathways, and now stand at the threshold of what the future holds. It has been an enlightening journey, hasn't it? But this exploration is not concluding here. Your thoughts, insights, and questions are essential. They are the fuel that propels this ongoing journey forward. Therefore, we encourage you to comment below and actively join this conversation. Did you find the journey enlightening? If so, feel free to express that. Please give this video a like and consider sharing it with your friends, family, and colleagues. If you are new here or haven't done so already, we invite you to consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch. For further valuable insights, we invite you to check out the next video linked here.